Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can verify a voter's card online. So in order to verify, first of all, you'll have to apply for it. So in order to apply for it, you'll have to open up the official government election website. So after that, you need to fill up a form. And then you'll need to send properly completed form and required paperwork as well. Along with that, you also need a passport size photo, which must be sent with the documentation that is to be attached, which must be scanned as well. And the applicant must also deliver the physical copies of all required documents to the local election office. These documents must be delivered in persons to the EOND. After that, the verification process starts. Now, following the voter's ID application, the verification process is completed. The booth level officer performs the verification. To undertake the verification is according to the EA criteria. The officer will visit the address the applicant gave and verify the document there as well. The application is cancelled and the applicant is not entitled to get a voter ID if the officer discovers any inconsistency in the information submitted throughout the verification procedure. A new application is required. The officer will finish the process and the applicant will be qualified to receive a legitimate voter's ID if all the information on the application is confirmed to be accurate within 15 to 21 days after the verification process is finished, and the applicant will get the voter's ID through mail. So in that way, you can verify your voter's ID. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.